Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide user accounts from control panel on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide user accounts from control panel, go to search. In search type control panel, click on control panel. Here you will find an option user account. You can configure user accounts from here. Now I am going to show you how to hide user accounts from control panel. Close control panel. Insert, type gpedit. Click on edit group policy. Under user configuration, expand administrative template and click on control panel. Here you will find a setting, hide a specified control panel item. Right click on it and click on edit. Select enabled, list of disallowed control panel items, and you will find a button here, show. Click on show and under value type Microsoft M capital dot user U capital accounts Microsoft dot user accounts. Now click on OK. Click on apply and then click on OK. Now close group policy editor. Right click on start menu. Click on run. In run type gp update / force to update group policy immediately. Now click on OK. Group policy is updating. Now you need to sign out your computer and sign in again. Click on start menu. Click on your user icon and click on sign out. After sign in again, I'm going to check. Go to search, type control panel, click on control panel, and in control panel here user accounts option is not showing and it's hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.